session, our aim is to solve this question. This question is posted by Pritam Rai in one of the Facebook group, and the question and the image credit is of the brilliant.org. Okay, so before solving this question, let's understand few concepts. Concept number one is we have two type of fractions. One is known as proper fraction, one is known as improper fraction. Proper fractions are the fraction that is a by b which is less than 1 and greater than 0, means positive fractions which are less than 1, also known as decimals. Improper fractions are the fractions which are nothing but more than 1. So how do we identify fraction is proper or improper? Say the 7 by 9, if your denominator is more, the fraction is proper. 9 by 7, when denominator is less, it's improper. Why we call it proper? Because proper fraction behaves properly. Improper fraction behaves improperly. What is the meaning of behaves properly? If we add, say, a constant number in numerator and denominator, we will get a number 10 by 12, and if you are adding a number, this value should be more than 7 by 9. So अगर आप कुछ भी ऐड करते हो नंबर में, वो प्रॉपर है and numbers numerator and denominator में सेम है, then the new number is more than the old number, because we have added. The addition means we are increasing the function. Same, say we have 9 by 13 and we add, say, 5 in the top, 5 in the bottom, that is nothing but 14 upon 18. So 14 upon 18 is more than 9 by 13 because it's proper, behave properly. But improper fraction 9 by 7, if say we add 5 and 5, that is nothing but 14 by 12. So 14 by 12 would be smaller than 9 by 7 because it's improper, so behave improperly, or it behaves improperly, so it's called improper. I hope this one is clear. So let's understand it by the example. If you say 23 upon 25 and 27 upon 29, which one is more? So we can also say that is nothing but plus 4 and plus 4. हमने plus 4 किया है. So after adding the number in the proper fractions, it behaves properly. So we added, it means the new number is more than the old number. I hope this one is clear. Steps you have to follow is quite simple. 1. Check the fraction is proper or improper. Second, find gap. Gap has two things. Either gaps are equal or non-equal. Either equal or not equal. If equal and the fraction is proper, more numerator, more number. And if improper, then it's reverse. More numerator, less number. Because ये improper है ना, improper behave करता है. And the second one, if gaps are not equal, then what will do? Equate the gap. How do we equate the gap is the important thing. So let's check few examples. Say we have 133 upon 127 and say 19 upon 13. Which one is more? So first find the gap. Gap between these two numbers are 6. Find the gap. Gap between these two numbers are 6. Okay, perfectly fine. Gap are same. Is it proper or improper? Denominator कम है मतलब एक से ज़्यादा है, so ये improper है. Improper behave improper करता है. More the numerator, जो हमें लगता है कि नंबर ज़्यादा है बट होता कम है. More the numerator, less the number, so this one is more. So we can say 19 by 13 is more than this one. Or another example, 129 upon 137 and 11 upon 19. Which one is more or less? So what is the gap? Gap is 8. Gap is 8. Check it is proper or improper. It is proper because ये एक से कम है, denominator आपका ज़्यादा है. Proper behave proper करेगा. More the numerator, more the number. I hope इतना clear है. Now what happens if gaps are not same? 23 upon 26 and you can say 34 upon 39. So what is the gap? Gap is 3. What is the gap? Gap is nothing but 5. So we have to equate the gap. Equating the gap means what is the LCM? We have to work on the LCM part or the cross multiply. What is the LCM? LCM is 15. So we want gap should be 15. अब यहाँ का gap 15 कैसे होगा? If we multiply 5 in the both side, so आप gap को 15 बना देते हो और कुछ भी नहीं. मीन्स आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, वी हैव टू इक्वेट द गैप, एंड गैप इक्वेट करने में आपको करना क्या होता है, जो भी आपका गैप दिया हुआ है, टेक द एलसीएम, और एलसीएम इज 15, तो 315 कैसे बनेगा, 5 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 515 कैसे बनेगा, 3 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। नाउ चेक, दैट इज नथिंग बट 115, और ये क्या हो जाएगा 130, गैप हमारा क्या हो गया, दैट इज 15, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज 102, एंड यहाँ हो जाएगा 117, गैप कितना हो जाएगा 15। नाउ गैप सेम हो गया हमारा, परफेक्टली फाइन। नाउ इट इज प्रॉपर और इम्प्रॉपर, ये प्रॉपर है, बोथ आर द प्रॉपर, मोर द न्यूमरेटर मोर द नंबर। तो आपको इतना भी नहीं करना है, फर्स्ट फाइंड द गैप, आप फर्स्ट फाइंड द गैप, then equate the gap with the LCM, just check numerator part, which numerator is more the numerator, more the number, because it's proper. Check another question. Say the 27 upon 23 and 43 upon 41. Why I'm taking a gap smaller? Because just to let you know how it works. This work for the bigger gap also, but उसमें LCM थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है, और कुछ भी नहीं होता है। What is the gap? Gap is 4. What is the gap? Gap is 2. So मुझे करना क्या है, मुझे gap 4 बनाना है। So why 4 बनाना है? LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So मैं इसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ। This becomes 86 upon 82. यहाँ भी गैप 4 हो गया, यहाँ भी गैप 4 हो गया। नाउ माई फ्रैक्शन इज इम्प्रॉपर बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर छोटा है। इम्प्रॉपर में होता क्या है, अगर आपका न्यूमरेटर छोटा है तो नंबर बड़ी होती है। सो ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा। आई होप ये क्लियर है। Now solve our question. The question which was given by brilliant.org, one of the best site for learning, and posted by Apritam Rai, one of the best person on the Facebook I ever met, is what? We just need to find gap. हमारे क्वेश्चंस लिखे हुए क्या क्या हैं? I am again writing question, that is 4 times 1, 222 single 1, 222 single 3, 333 1, and 333 4. आपको करना कुछ भी नहीं है, जस्ट फाइंड द गैप इज 1, गैप इज 2, गैप इज 3। व्हाट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ द गैप? दैट इज 1 2 3, एलसीएम क्या है 6 है। मैं इसे 6 कैसे बनाऊंगा, आई विल मल्टीप्लाई 6 इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर। यहाँ मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा, यहाँ मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा। द एम ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑल दीज वैल्यूज इज टू कीप गैप इक्वल। सो ये नंबर आपका हो क्या जाएगा, दिस नंबर इज नथिंग बट 6660 अपॉन 4 times 6, this number is what, 6663 upon 6669, and this one becomes 6662 upon 6668. Now we have same gap of 6, हमारा 6 gap होगा। And is it proper or improper? ये proper है because denominator ज़्यादा है। If more denominator is proper. And what do you mean by proper? Proper behaves properly, more the numerator, more the value. So this one is the largest one. What is the second largest? This one is the second largest because it's 6663 is the largest, 6662 is the second largest, this one is the third largest or the smallest, you can say. So this one is my answer, the largest one. This one is the second largest one. This one is the third largest one. I hope this one is clear. Now solve a homework. I am giving you a question. Arrange it in the ascending order. So you have a question. Please इसे arrange करो आप ascending order में. A, B, C, D, and questions are just quite simple. 111 divided by 113, 223 divided by 226, 334 divided by 338, and 445 divided by 450. Arrange A, B, C, D in ascending order, and this is your homework. I hope this learning would help you to solve few questions in SSC, banking, and other management examination. Okay, thanks and happy learning. Bye bye.